Welcome to our grape processing facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how whole grapes are transformed into rich, concentrated grape syrup.
The extraction process begins as the grapes are gently fed into our stainless steel crushers, releasing the rich purple juice.
I've optimized the extraction efficiency. Confirmed. Juice quality is within optimal parameters.
The juice is concentrated carefully to preserve flavor, color, and natural sweetness.
Every batch is tested before being shipped worldwide.
And that's how whole grapes are transformed into rich, concentrated grape syrup enjoyed around the world.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.